This is not a simulator. This is a mod for a video game called Red Dead Redemption 2, and while it's not realistic in any means, it's really fun, and I was just excited to fly in this world. Rockstar Games made an incredible world, and the guy Frank Albers, who linked this on the Facebook page, has really done an amazing job getting this into the game, and it's really great. If you have the Red Dead Redemption game, go try this out. It's so much fun flying in that world. The way you get it to work is that you go to the Google Drive, I've linked in the comments. You download that entire folder, you extract that and copy all the files into the Red Dead Redemption game folder. When you open the game, you enter story mode, and inside story mode you press page down and enter at the same time. When you've done that, you go into drone mode, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, you have to tweak things. The first thing you have to do is close the game down again, and I had to go into the Xbox game controller simulator that is also within the game files, and I opened that as admin. I started filling around, getting the axis on point, getting the axis right, so it matched my radio. After that, I went into Red Dead Redemption game, and inside here I put some different settings on the screen now. These are my settings that worked for me, so you can try those out. You can pause the video if you want to, or you can just try out your own settings and see how that feels. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and also like and subscribe for more content. If you fly this mod, please do tell me what your experience is. Do you find it as nice as I do, or are you in a totally different place? Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video and get out there and get flying.